So today I have a problem in front of me about how to calculate the approximate value of 4 raised to power 1 by 3. So this kind of problem is usually we face in case of thermodynamics statistics and basically in mathematical physics or in some crude calculations. Okay. So when you look for the cube root of 4, you need to find out the nearest perfect cube around 4. So I have already found out that 4.096 is the nearest cube to the 4, that is 1.6 power 3. So there are 2 to 3 methods to solve this question. So I'll briefly explain the two methods and I will finally decide which method is the easiest to go on further. Okay. So in case of first method, what we'll do? So you can say up to 2 to 3 decimal places if you want to find, you have to use the binomial expansion. So just write down the 4 as a linear combination or addition or subtraction of perfect cube and the additional constant. So I knew that 4.096 is the nearest cube to the 4 and I placed it like that. You can see. So you can clearly see what I have done here. I have right here 4.096 minus 0.096, so it comes out to be 4 and power 3, 1 by 3. So after that you can easily see I have just expanded using the binomial expansion, and but the major problem I face using this method is that laborious and time consuming calculations like these two factors. Although I have expanded it to up to 3 places only, but still it is very calculative and a highly regressive formula. It should not be followed according to my principles. Okay, so this method I gave to you just to know what kind of method we can apply. So this was the first method, but it is not easy to use. This method is way too long. Second is again binomial, but it is approximate rule of binomial expansion. So what here we'll do, start from the same step, 4 power 1 by 3 to be written as a 4.096 minus 0.096 power 1 by 3. And you need to take 4.096 power 1 by 3 common out. So by doing so, you will get this kind of expression in front of you. And after further solving, final expression would be like that. Okay, so what will further we'll do, I'll let you know. Just look at it. So this basically this term, this 6 by 256, 6 by 256 is much smaller than 1. This is the final and basic rule of the binomial expansion using approximate rule. You have to look for a particular number which is very small, which is minute as compared to the 1. Okay, so what you need to further do, I have placed it and then I have written the binomial expansion rule. You can see 1 plus x power n is approximately equal to 1 plus nx if 1 is much larger than x. So you need to expand binomially, but only up to 2 terms. Rest terms are very small and can be neglected. So here I do that kind of method, just apply the formulations. And finally you can see the whole calculation in front of you. It is much easier as compared to the direct application of binomial. It comes out to 1.5875. Next method is which is according to me the best method is the application of derivatives method. So in this case you have to look for the general equation, just like here I'm looking for 1.4.096 power 1 by 3, so it comes out to be y equal to x power 1 by 3. So here x is basically 4. So what you will do here, so y plus delta y comes out to be x plus delta x power 1 by 3. All you need to do is to look for x, delta x, y and delta y. So basic rule for this is all you have already done in case of application derivative in class 12 syllabi. So you can see what I am doing here. So I have put x to be 4.096 and delta x to be negative minus 0.096. So by directly calculating y like that, x power 1 by 3, you need to put 4.096 1 by 3, you will get y only. But what about this delta y? This delta y can be calculated using this principle. So this is a basic derivative rule in which linear variation of particular function y with respect to x is followed, so that delta y by delta x is always equal to dy by dx. Okay. So finally delta y I'll calculate. and this is a basic calculation. This you might be familiar with this calculation in class 12th application derivative. So finally I'll get delta y, which comes out to 0.0125. So in short, finally y plus delta y equal to x plus delta x raised to power 1 by 3. All values need to be put into this equation. So just what like that you can see. So y is directly 1.6, delta y we have already calculated, x was 4.096 and delta x is minus 0.096. By solving it you can clearly see 4 power 1 by 3 is 1.5875. So this was the best method according to me when you have to deal with the fractional exponents. So always go for application of derivatives. Thank you.